Hi friends, this is Barbara and I'm back with another Crockpot meal. Today is going to be just chili. Just regular chili. Okay, so we're starting with 1 pound or a pound and a half of ground turkey or ground beef. We're going to go in with 1 large onion. We're going to go in with 2 cloves or a big tablespoon. See there? Tablespoon. Yeah, let's do 2. You know, it just looks like we could pour some of that juice in there too. I just don't want it too garlicky. Okay, and then next what we're going to do is go in there with 3 cups of beef broth. Okay, and then from the beef broth, we are going to do the tomato paste. Just a whole can of tomato paste. Okie dokie, we got that done. I'm going to chop that up a little bit. Just get it in there. Kind of try to get it all over the place anyway. Okay, and then we are going to go in with 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. So here's what I'm going through. I do not have diced tomatoes with chilies, but I do got diced tomatoes. So we're going to put that in, and then here's what I do got. Just regular green chilies, okay? This is okay to do that. It'd be nice if you have it in the can already, but if not, there you go. Okay, and then after that, we're going to go in with 2 cans of kidney beans. Washed, rinse that. Get the sodium out of it. All right, and then we're going in with, here, busting out my tablespoon and my chili powder. We gotta stir that up. Okay, chili powder. There's 1, there's 2, and there is 3. All right, so then after the chili powder, we're going to go in with some ground cumin. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons, okay? I got my hand is in the way, G. Okay, 2 teaspoons. There's 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then there is 2. Okay, we got that done. Okay, and then let's not forget the paprika. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And then we made our own chili flakes. We're going to go in 1/4 spoon of chili flakes. God, these are so hot, but I love them. Okay, then throw in some pepper. Yepper. Okay, we're about to put a spin on it, a new little twist, or maybe it's not a new twist. You know, maybe everybody does this. Okay, it's brown sugar. All right. Go in with a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm wondering if I should put 2 brown sugar. Let's just do it. Yeah, I don't want to think too long about that. We're just doing it. I mean, like the sweet and spicy. Okay, now here's another twist that just I can't have chili without hominy. I have to have hominy in it. So just 1 can of hominy. And if you haven't tried it, And then if you make this and you do try it, tell me how you liked that, okay? I'd like to know. Let's just take it all and give it a nice good stir. Okay, so now here we come to, if some people like their chili a little bit on the thin side, some like it chunky. To me, this looks like that would be kind of a little bit chunky. But if you want, you can throw another cup of beef broth in that if you choose, okay? And then also with all those seasonings that I threw in there, season it the way you like, okay? Honestly, because some people may not like cumin. You know, maybe some people, I guess. Okay? Okay, so then we're going to turn this on. We're going to put the lid on it. Oh, you know, I just got to get rid of that right there. Sorry. I could have been an OCD thing. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to turn her on high. And then we're going to cook this. Well, the meat is done. So we're just going to marry everything together and get it tasting delicious. Let's do anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours. This baby's going to be done and ready to serve. Okay. And we are done. I like that consistency that the chili made. It's not really thick. It's not soupy, like really runny. I have already tasted it, and it's a little bit spicy, but very, very good. Okay, I'm going to put that down, put the lid back on it. And there, looks really good. Let me know what you think about it if you decide to make it. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But until then, keep on cooking. Love you guys.